Let's quickly take a look at the way that you update your billing address on PayPal. If you previously added in an address and you're now currently trying to change it, let's quickly look at how it's done. To change the address on your PayPal, click on the settings option on the top right, besides the logout link, besides the logout option. From the settings of your page under accounts, you'll be able to see the option called address. It's going to currently display your address. To change it, you can click on edit, remove the existing address that it has, and then type in the new address that you want. You can add in the address line 1, address line 2, the city or district that you live on, your zone, and your postal code. Once you update all of this information, you can just click on the update button. Once you click on update, immediately your address will be added to the new address that you just added in. And from now on, any payments that you receive will show this as your default address. So that's all it takes in updating your billing address on PayPal.